So in today's lesson we are going to look at geometric progression. But matarisiro tinoda kuita tally with arithmetic progression because I have seen some students confusing the two. So kana tikazvikombera as we introduce geometric progression, it's going to be better. So looking at geometric progression, this is the second type yachatarisa when we look at the types of sequences. So what do we learn from geometric progression? Saka ndichange ndichishandisa yellow to refer back to arithmetic progression, then white ndichaishandisa to talk about geometric progression. So when we spoke about arithmetic progression, takati an AP cannot arithmetic progression tukutarisa a sequence where D is uniform, ndozvo takataura, and takati D ino refer to chi common difference, kana kungoti difference it's enough, and takanga tati kuti T1 tinoti proceeding term subtracting preceding term. So in layman terms, takati let us assume we have a very simple sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 and so forth. Saka takati 2 minus 1 panapa tinoona kuti D inenge iri equal to 1. 3 minus 2 tinoona kuti D again iri equal to 1, and tikati 4 minus 3 tinoona D iri equal to 1. Saka since D iri uniform kana kuti constant, zvinoreva kuti that is an arithmetic progression. So on this part of arithmetic progression, do you have an issue yamunoda kuti tiadresse? Are you okay with this part of arithmetic progression? Tisati taintroduce geometric progression. You can unmute and just contribute.
Okay with this one,
Okay. So let us now proceed to geometric progression. So when we look at GP, geometric progression, tirikuti a GP describes a sequence in which any pair of successive terms gives a uniform ratio. Andika. Saka kunoku changa chiri uniform ndi D, common difference. Kureva kuti tikati number iri kumberi subtracting iri kumasure kwayo immediately tinowana D, which is a common difference. But kana taku GP manje tiri kutaura pamusoro pekuti this is a sequence in which and any pair of successive terms what does it do? It gives a uniform ratio, and it's very important to underline the term uniform ratio. That is the key difference. AP, uniform difference. GP, uniform ratio. Let us look at an example. Let us say we have a sequence 2, 4, 8, 16 like this. Saka kuti tizive ratio, going back to O level, tinoziva kuti a ratio is just a fancy way of citing a fraction. A ratio is simply a fraction. Saka tikatarisa panapa tinoona kuti tikati 2 inoi times 2 tikuwana 4. Tikati 4 times 2 tikuwana 8, and tikati 8 times 2 tikuwana 16 and so forth. Saka we are multiplying every term tiri multiplier by the same factor tichiwana the next term. Saka that is vaguely what we refer to as a common cannot uniform ratio. But tisati taenda ikoko chamufanira kuziva ndechekuti as we define a common ratio, mawaniro acho chaiwo tinoti proceeding term kureva term iri kumberi dividing preceding term iri kumasure. That is what we do. Saka this is what you have to know. Tinoti proceeding term over preceding term. Kureva kuti zvatachifanira kuita panapa 2 4 8 16 tanga tichifanirwa kuti tikati 4 over 2 and tinowana 2 andika toya panapa tobva tati 8 over 4 tichawana futi 2 tozouya apo tobva tati 16 over 8 tichiwana futi 2 ndozvatachifanirwa kuita. Saka 2 ndiyo common kana kuti uniform ratio yacho. You get it? And 2 ari kuapply say ari kuapply kuti we are using it as a factor yatiri kumultiply every term nayo kuti tiwane the next term. Zviri kungobva pa the relationship between multiplication and division. Because 4 over 2 is equal to 2, zvoreva kuti 2 is quotient. Maybe let me write it down. 4 over 2 is equals to 2. 2 inoi inenge chinze quotient i2-ish i-divisor, then iyo 4 iyo i-dividend. Saka tinoziva kuti multiplier this divisor multiplier ne quotient inotipa dividend. That's why 2 times 2 is equal to 4. You can try it with any number. 81 over 9 is equal to 9. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. So the reason why our common ratio kuno kutrikuiwana by proceeding term over preceding term, but tikuzoti multiply na 2. Saka 2 uno uyu manje uyu, and in this case angachi serve as a divisor. Multiplying by 2 uyu ari serve as a quotient. Tinowana dividend, which is this 4. Saka you don't have to be confused there. What you have to know is trikuti proceeding term dividing preceding term. That's the most important part. So after we have learned about this, takuchifanirwa kuenda ku notation where A, we are interested with the nth term. Tinowana say term n. Hatisi kuiziva, tinobvunzwa nequestion. Saka kuti tiwane the nth term, patanga tiri ku AP, what was the formula? That's the question I posed to you. You can check in your memory or your notes. But for now, manj, the formula is, in order for us to find the nth term, it is going to be equal to AR to the n minus 1. That's the formula. The formula yedu. UN is equal to AR to the n minus 1. Let us look for an example from yatanga tinayo. Saka our sequence and is what? 2, 4, 8, 16. Let us say that's our sequence. Tirikuda kuwana ngatitange tatudawana the third term. Saka tirikuda U3. Tirikutesta kuti inoshanda here. Saka from U3 tichazoenda ku U6. Kuti tione tinogona iri kuwana term iri kumberi. Saka U3 panapa tirikutoona already kuti ndi 8. Tuda kuona kana formula yedu ichishanda. Saka U3 inge equal to A is the first term, which is 2. R is the common difference. In this case, I is common difference. Don't make this mistake. Common ratio, which is what? 2. Then N Indian ND3 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 bracket 2, 3 minus 1 ndi 2. Saka it's basically 2 squared, which is 4 multiplying 2, and we are getting 8. Inoshanda formula yedu. Un is equal to AR to the n minus 1. What about kana tishida something like U6? Saka U6 ingeri equal to chi. Ingeri equal to A, which is 2 common ratio, which is also 2. Then n is 6 minus 1. Correct panapa it's 2 to the 5. Kureva kutapa ingeri eventually 64. Mapaona 2 times 24, 4 times 28, 8 times 2 16, 16 times 2 32, 32 times 2 yochi 64. Saka that's the formula. You have to know the formula. I don't know can I read formula booklet or not, but you have to know the formula. Okay. The second aspect yatirikuda panapa, tirikuda kudzidza about sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. We are also going to be using 2, 4, 8, 16 as our geometrically progressing sequence. To get the sum of n terms, our formula panapa ingori 1. For AP there were 2 formulas, now it's only 1. Sn is equals to A 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r, like this. This is what we have. Mapaona. Let us try to apply it. Saka tirikuda kuadd the first 3 terms. Saka tirikuda S3. Tuone kuti inotibuditsira chi. S3. Saka kuti tiwane S3 andiri, techiziva kuti S3 iri equal to, ndakutongoshandisa formula iyi. A ndiani? A ndi 2, 1 minus common ratio ndi 2 to the power chi 3 over 1 minus common ratio ndiani ndi 2, like that. Saka tadai so much. This is equal to 2, 1 minus 2 times 24, 4 times 28 over 1 minus 20 minus 1, like that. So this is equal to 2 minus 7 from 1 minus 8 over minus 1. And this is equal to, what is 2 times minus 7? That's minus 14. So it's minus 14 over minus 1. Tichwana answer chi 14. Tatita add the first 3 terms. Let us do a trial here. What is 2 plus 4 plus 8? Is it equal to 14? 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So our answer is correct. Saka izi munogona kufunga yako zvinota. What is the need of these complex formulas? Isusu tichigona kungo edda. No, munogona upiwa zvinhu. There is a way of testing where it's not practical kuti muite zvekuedda. You have to use the formula. You have to use the formula. So you can be tasked kuti mutsvage zvinhu like you do not even know my terms are kunoko. And panapa we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. But question inogona kuuya yakati S, yakati ituda S6. Saka there is no need yekuti mutsvage the 5th and the 6th term. Mozozviedda. Of course it's easy because panapa anenge ari 32. Then 32 times 2 ndiyo 64. Saka kuedda zvese kusvika pa 14. Saka it's 14 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64. But manje, with method formula, there's no need yekuti mutsvage ma terms awo. You just apply it. Saka S6 is equal to A the 2, 1 minus common ratio the 2 to the 6 over 1 minus 2, like this. Saka itichi solve chati 2, 1 minus 2 times 24, 4 times 28, 8 times 20, 16, 16 times 20, 32, 32 times 20, 64. So it's 1 minus 64 over minus 1, which is equal to 2 minus 63 over minus 1, which is, what is 63 plus 63, which is the same as saying 63 times 2, it's 126. Saka it's minus 126 over minus 1. Got answer yedu ndi 126. Like that. Mukato add down physically, you are going to get the same answer. So that is what we have. And tatsvaga the nth term as we did ku AP. Tatsvaga the sum of n terms as we did ku AP. But ku GP manje inowedzera something else, and as I inowedzera, it's called sum to infinity. Saka makura mathematically, you know what infinity is. Sum to infinity. Knows what infinity is? An imaginary state. You know, to account for how unending numbers are. That's what infinity is. Kunogumira manamba kusiko ikoko. I was speaking with one of my relatives yesterday in Chiti. Ndikati nyorai the largest number unimaginable. Mukatora in A4 paper mukanyora numbers number rakakura stereki. I can disqualify that number nekungonesa 0 kumberi. I said that meaning trying to explain to a 10-year-old the idea of infinity. So when we talk about sum to infinity, what really are we talking about? Because tukubva kutaura pamusoro pe sum of n terms, n being a specific number, like sum of the first 3 terms, sum of the last 5 terms. Like, it's not only limited to the first. We are going to see that when we start practicing SimSec and Cambridge questions. But what about sum to infinity? The concept can only be employed to convergent sequences where the common ratio lies between -1 and +1 exclusive. Saka tichangonyora zvichava more apparent paticharamba tichita this topic. But my conditions for applying sum to infinity, what are they? Tinema conditions. The first condition is only employed to, saka they should be what are called convergent sequences. We are going to learn about convergent sequences in our next lesson, where the common ratio lies between, and panapa the common ratio R lies between -1 and +1 exclusive. Chatsanangura tichichi anditika +1 exclusive. Izvi zvinongoreva kuti R anofanira ari pakati pa -1 na 1, tisingaverengi -1 na 1. That's why pasina kuiswa oro equal to panapa. So to converge, you are grown-ups, you understand the concept of converging. Kana chiti converge, tikuti muri kunoungana pa the same point, muchibva kwakasiyana. You are converging, muri kunoheada the same point. That's the idea of converging. Think of a heart, and mukapfirira imba, kitchen, kumusha. There is a central point where mbariro zvese nematanda aya neuswa, they converge at that central point. Saka to converge kunoungana pa central point. We are going to discuss kuti there are different forms of sequences. Tine convergent sequences, tine divergent sequences. Saka sum to infinity no apply firstly to GP. I think I should have written this. It only applies to geometric progression. That's why it's not kutaura pamusoro pazvo arithmetic progression. Then secondly, convergent sequences. Thirdly, the common ratio should be between -1 and 1 exclusive, kureva kuti not counting -1 and 1. Ndozvo zvinoreva panapa. Andika not counting -1 and 1. Okay. Saka aya ndo maconditions amufanirwa kuziva. As we progress in mathematics, muchaona kuti you are going to be using certain assumptions which are the favorable conditions under which certain mathematical phenomena cannot mathematical principle can be applied. You understand? Saka, that's it. It is given mathematically as follows. Saka, mathematically, sum to infinity, yakamira sei. Mathematically, S twataisaka infinity sign panapa. Sum to infinity inenge equal to A over 1 minus R, as simple as that. The sum to infinity is equal to A over 1 minus R. Kureva kuti tikatora 2, andika, let me use a different color. Tikatora 2, 4, 8, 16 and so forth, assuming kuti rukuenda ku infinity, tikati tikuda ku a dama number ese anowanikwa in this sequence, ese up to infinity. Answer yedu inge chibuda yakadai, so s infinite inge equal to, but we have to answer the question, is it firstly a geometric progression? Yes, it is, with common ratio 2. Is it convergent? Is the limit of this sequence convergent? We have to answer that question. Then thirdly, common ratio, is it lying between -1 and 1 exclusive? Easy in that case. Korwa sum to infinity cannot be applied for the geometric progression sequence yatanga tichishanda nayo as our common example. Saka, this concludes our lesson, but know that questions on sequences and series are centered on the manipulation of statements in theory into mathematical expressions. This transformation process leads to an equation which should be subsequently solved. So what's happening is, the design of this topic, I just have to give you the necessary tools which then we are going to use when we start questions. Saka, in our lesson tomorrow, tichatanga ne series expansion. Taita series expansion, then we are going to judge if we can move on, because I usually like teaching concepts. Go try to mubate a concept to enter to the next, building from, because these concepts are interconnected. Then after that, we look at the behavior of sequences. Panoso patotaura about periodicity, oscillation, convergence, and divergence. Then tatarisa all that teachers enda ku sigma notation, which is very vital. Then from there we start on practice questions. Saka, kana kuri kuti tiri concept by concept, zvinoreva kuti our next concept is series expansion. Tapedza iyoyo tichaenda ku behavior of sequences. Tapedza izvozvo tichaenda ku sigma. Saka 3 ma-concepts atasarwa nawo tokuti titange ma-practice questions SM2 and Cambridge. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Otherwise, thank you and have a nice one.